Hello students, in this video you are going to learn algebraic identity number 2, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So to do an activity, to do a geometrical representation, I just take up a big square, cut out, you know how to make it, right? In the previous video I have told you. So I'm taking the square with the side A. So A, since all the sides of a square are equal, so all the four sides would be A. So what would be the area? Side into side, A into A, so A square. Okay, so A square. So I have done with the thing. So A minus B. So they are asking us to subtract, take away some B measurement from A measurement. So I just take some measurement to be B. Okay, and from the total A, I'm going to deduct the B. Okay, I'm going to take away the B measurement. Okay, it can be anything, whatever, like if you can take it. Yes, so from total A, okay, this is total A. From that, I'm just taking B away. Okay, so B measurement, I'm going to remove it. Okay, so it's B. So from the total A, okay, this is the total A. From that, if we take away B, what would be the left out part? It is A minus B. For example, from total 10, if you take away 3, you will say 10 minus 3, right? So it's like total A. So A minus B, we just got it. So what is actually A minus B, the whole square? It is A minus B into A minus B, like side into side. So one side we got to be A minus B. So again in the another side, I'm going to take away the same measurement which I have taken the B before. Okay. So yeah, this is my B. Okay, from then that is A minus B. From the total measurement A, I have taken B, so it is A minus B. From the total measurement A, I have take away B, so it is A minus B. So what is that square which is placed on the A square? So A minus B is there, A minus B on the side. So that square with the side A minus B, A minus B, so side into side is A. Okay, so by the area of the square formula, it is side into side, A minus B, the whole square, because A minus B into A minus B twice identically. If you multiply any number, then the power goes A minus B, the whole square. Now, so from the total area of A square, right, if I place at A minus B the whole square, so the left out, okay, that we don't want. The left out, the L, the inverted L, no, that we don't want. We have to take away those things. From the big square, A square, okay. So the A minus B the whole square is a small square. So I don't want the left out part. So let's see what is that left out part. So what part? We have to remove it actually. So the rectangle over there with the side B, A, since opposite side, so that would be A and B, the opposite is B. So it looks like a rectangle, right? So what is the area of a rectangle? Yes, it is, area is length into breadth. So it is A into B or B into A. So multiplication is commutative, so you can take it. Clear? So since I'm going to take away, so it's minus AB. From the whole big square, I'm taking away this rectangle AB. So that's why minus AB. So again down there is another rectangle. Okay, there is another rectangle which we need to take away. So what is the measurement? It is A, the length is A, then the breadth is B. Okay, so we know the property of rectangle. So if it is A, the opposite A. If it is B, the opposite side measurement also would be B. Now, what is the area of this rectangle? So area is nothing but, okay, what is the area of rectangle? It is length, okay, length into breadth. So we say it to be A into B. Length is A, breadth is B. So A into B, AB. Okay, so the another rectangle, okay, which we have to remove from the total A square. But see, this is minus AB, one rectangle. Okay, again minus AB, that is the minus AB. I have written it in the next. So what is not logical over here is, see, this part, this small part, okay, it is deducted once when I write minus AB. Okay, minus AB. Again when I do again one more minus AB, again the same part, no, which is already removed, again the second time also it has been removed, which is not actually needed. We don't want that, right? So we actually subtracted, we have taken away something extra which is not necessary. Okay, for example, if you have minus 5, if you made it, so to balance it, what you will do, you will add 5. So this part is something extra removed, so I don't want that. So if I add the same area, then it will get vanished. Okay, if I add the same area what I have removed extra, then it will get vanished, and the inverted L would be deducted from A square. So you can see me, right? Yeah. So this part, okay, so how come it is B square? Because that's why I'm adding. Okay, why I'm adding? Because it is extra removed. Okay, it is extra removed, twice it is removed. So to balance it, the one more extra removal, I'm adding that area again, so that it both will get, the minus and plus become 0. That's why. So the side is B, again the side is B. So area, this, it looks like a square with side B. So area is B into B, B square. Clear? That's why plus B square, plus B square. So I'll repeat. So I have taken a complete A square. From that, minus AB. Okay, since the small square over there is taken away twice, so one time is needed. Since it is taken away twice, so one time we are adding it. So plus B square. So A minus B, the whole square, is nothing but A square. Okay, minus AB plus B square. Okay, minus AB. Since it is like 1, if there is no other number, it is 1AB and 1AB, right? So it is 2AB. A square minus 2AB plus B square. Clear? So let's go with some problem. Okay, how to apply algebraic identity 2 on it. 2x minus 5y the whole square. Yes, 2x minus 5y the whole square. So here the A place we have 2x, and in the B place we have 5y. Okay, so it's like A minus B the whole square. So the formula, will write it first, identity, standard identity. Okay, minus 2ab plus B square. Okay, whenever you start identity, write the identity once. So in the place of A, I just substitute 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 5y plus 5y whole square. I'm just substituting. Okay, we know that the square goes for both. Okay, I'm just going little quickly because the substitution we have already learned it in the previous video of algebraic identity 1. Okay, I put it in the description box. The link has been posted in the added in the description box. You can look at it. So it goes for both. So 5 square is 25. Then y square, yeah, y into y, it's y square. Clear? So no more like terms, so we can. So the second one, 98 the whole square. So it looks like a single number. So how I'm going to make it? 100 minus 2 whole square. So the minus, and also it should be a multiple of some tens and hundreds. It would be easy. Okay, you can see an A and B. Clear? A is 100. Okay, I'm going to substitute. B is 2. I'm going to substitute in the identity. So 100 the whole square minus 2 into 100 into 2, that is 2ab, okay, plus 2 the whole square. So 100 square, you know how to do it. So 1, so the 0 double, it will just get double, okay, minus, yeah, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 100, 400, plus the 2 square to be 4. So now just give a pause, find a solution and write it, okay? Clear? Thank you for watching.